look at the island to the right as well.
Where? Oh my God, yes, another one over there. My God. When I say smack, you smack your paddle. Mind you, mine probably makes more noise than yours, doesn't it?
You want to get closer or do you want me to start smacking?
Not yet, not yet. I'm hoping they'll go quiet when they see us.
I don't think so.
I've realised you should have pushed me. That would have been a bloody sight easier than one-handed paddling.
Oh, it's good practice for you.
Okay, I think it may be time for you to make a hell of a noise.
What's that?
I think it's time for you to start making a noise. Smack your paddle. Well, you're not very bloody aggressive, are you? Here he comes. Nothing. A bunch of dumbass seagulls. That wasn't as impressive as I thought.